Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia, septimo.
Na cozinha, semos.
Fogo!
Fogo! Hey, hey.
Good morning from We Love Food World
Sugar.
with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia Septimo, and Madeira Nunes. Okay, high five.
Okay.
High five.
Are we gonna make
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
cookies?
Well, not cookies. It's a cake. Portuguese cake. Okay, guys. We have a all-purpose flour. We have salt and baking soda, baking powder. We have orange juice organic and butter. We have 4 egg and orange, and this one is sugar. Okay, we're gonna make it together. The cake is the Portuguese cake, isn't it, Sander?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very see.
Okay, you already mix it? Huh? Mix it, come on. Look at these people. Portuguese cake. Portuguese orange cake, isn't it, Sander?
Where's pie?
Oh,
Where's pie?
yummy.
Where's pie?
Okay, we're gonna put na in the here. Wow. Okay, Sander, we're gonna put. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Sander
guys.
gonna make it. Sugar, Sander. Put the sugar. Wow. And the butter, anak. Butter. Butter. Wow. Wow.
Like,
And then, wait a minute, anak.
that's a spoon.
Okay, can you put na this, just set orange, okay, and then let's begin. Mix it, son, mix it.
Mix.
Oh,
Make
good,
it.
mix it.
It's done.
Okay, guys, look at this, guys. We're gonna mix the sugar and the butter. Okay? Okay, gonna put the egg. Yeah,
I want to make.
yeah, make it. By the spoon.
Hey, make.
Okay, mix it. Mix it properly. Wow.
Where's that?
Yeah.
Where's that?
It's the egg, anak. It's the egg. Okay. You can put now the flour. Flour, na? Put the flour. Good boy. Heavy, huh? Heavy. And then mix it. Good.
It's mama egg. Where's the egg?
Put the orange, huh?
Orange.
Yeah. Oh, it's the oranges. Organic oranges. 3 large orange juice. Isn't it, Sander? Wow.
Look.
Oh, mix together properly. Good boy. Are you good boy?
It's too hard.
It's not. It's too hard. Mommy gonna help, okay? Okay, guys. I need look at this. Nice. Nice and floppy. Nice, isn't it, Sander?
Mom. Very see.
Okay, you already mix it? Huh? Mix it, come on. Look at these people. Portuguese cake. Portuguese orange cake, isn't it, Sander?
Orange pie.
Oh,
Where's
yummy.
pie? Where's pie?
Okay, we're gonna put now in the here. Wow. Okay, Sandra, we're gonna put.
Orange cake.
Oh yeah, look at guys.
Look,
It's
it's
the orange
broken.
cake.
It's broken. Still.
Isn't it, Sandra?
What?
Say hi. Say hi to people. Hello, people.
Hello, people.
Have a look at the camera.
What?
Hiya.
Hiya.
It's my orange cake.
My orange cake.
Good boy. Okay, guys, we're gonna put now this 180 degree and 35 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, so see you in a bit.
Boy.
Hola, amigo, amiga. Look at Sandra cake.
Mori.
Portuguese cake. It's look yummy and delicious. In the kitchen we are
Chichi.
fire.
It's key.
You want to open?
Yeah.
Amazing, yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, guys, look at that. Portuguese orange cake is look amazing.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food.